Hey guys, we often hear this noise in Japan. Have a listen to it, see if you can work out what it is. So it's the sound of scaffolding being erected and or taken down. So as we've showed you on previous videos, nothing gets done in Japan without scaffolding going up. So anything that's built new or anything that's renovated or painted or anything that's done to any building at all, usually scaffolding goes up complete with the covering there to protect the neighbours from any sort of dust or anything blowing around. And as a result of that, pretty well any day of the week, at some stage we hear scaffolding being put up or taken down. The only reason we actually noticed it, because we sort of get used to it, was we're actually narrating a video recently, and when we replayed the narration we kept hearing it. I was like, there's that scaffolding again. So pretty well anywhere, because in new areas with new houses being built, you'll hear it all the time. And in old areas, places are being renovated, so you'll hear it all the time. That tapping, that metal on metal tapping, tap, tap, tap. That's assembling it. That's putting it together usually. But it also makes a similar noise when they're tapping it to pull it apart too. Anyway, just a quick silly one. All in the fine detail, isn't it? More videos coming soon.